Hello guys, in this video I will show you how I made 10 hour on gold today, and I could have made like 25 hour. So basically what I did was, at this point I had most of my position closed and I had only a runner, and I decided to close it at this POI. We even had a reaction, but it was like a fake reaction. And when the market opened, it went up, and I could have held 2.4 like I always do, and it would be like 25 hour because I have 24 hour because I had two positions. And yeah, so basically it was already a good trade, but it could have been a lot better. So I will show you why I would have closed here. Exactly, because I always do 0.4 if you watch my videos. So let's go to Edgeful, let's go to gold. Let's change this to no, here initial balance by levels. Okay, so it was a breakout day. So 0.4 is 71% of chance for in the past 6 months of hitting, and we had a breakout here. So 0.4 was the thing that I always try to get, at least 0.4. On gold it's not that high, on other pairs and indices it's higher. I usually do 0.4, 0.5, and it's like 78% of chance. So we had 70% of chance of getting this level, so this trade would be crazy. It was already quite good, but I was targeting these levels, and here I thought that it's a fake POI, so I just I knew it wouldn't work basically. And I also had a bias of gold going up to this level from the mornings. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. One thing that I can also show is the opening candle continuation, which was also green. So let's go to the report and let's find the opening candle continuation. So for gold, if we have the green opening candle, it's 80% of chance that it will close green. So it's a very high chance that it will close green and it will be a bullish day. So it's another thing from Edgeful that would give me confidence to hold this shit even higher than 0.4. My initial target was this, so like 0.8, but 0.8 would be, do I have it here? Less than 40% in the last 6 months. Let's check last year. Yep, less than 40. So 0.4 is like the maximum I would hold this shit. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I can break down my strategy if people would be interested. So let me know, and see ya.